Hello there, welcome to VR World Birds. Today we want to check the world Northern Lights by DustDivineWolf. It's a beautiful place to be, so let's jump right in. We got the Northern Lights here, and yeah, they are lovely. Mountains, snow, the texture is really beautiful. We got some camps here, campfire, some tents. Can we go in? Yes, we can go inside. Awesome. Oh, that's really cool. Very lovely, great atmosphere. I really love it. What else there is? What is this? Ah, we got our pens, of course. And this is a mirror spawn. Awesome. Let's switch it on. Ah, cool. Also looks very cool. Let's see if we're really there. Very important. That's me, by the way. I'm a cat in a coat because it's pretty cold up here. Very lovely. Really like it. Let's switch it off again. Okay. What else there is? Okay, we got two paths here. Let's take the illuminated one and let's see where that leads to. Let's put some music on to make some atmosphere. Yeah, that's cool. That sounds nice. What do we have here? Oh, look at this. We have a little cabin. Awesome. I hope we can enter. For sure, we can enter. Let's see if this is. Yeah, we can. Let's see. Oh, a little bed. How lovely is that? You can rest and chill. More pens to write down our thoughts while we look outside the window into the northern light sky. How beautiful. Oh, look at this texture. It's also very nice. Really well done. Really well done. Love it. That's cool. Let's go on exploring. Let's see if we can make it to the top of a mountain, shall we? To have a little overview of the whole world. Oh wow, awesome. Really cool. What a great atmosphere. Well done. I'm a mountain boy myself, so it's really my thing. Okay, let's go down. There is another path. Let's see where that leads us. Okay, very mysterious. Going straight forward to that galaxy there. Oh, another campfire. Awesome. Wow. Gives me chills, this place. Really cool. Good chills. Very lovely. Really nice. Let's have a closer look to that end here. Let's check the edge. Oh, whoa. Okay, here it all ends. However, beautiful place. Awesome. I love it. Here is the galaxy. Or whatever that is. Certainly really impressive. So, quick look around. Wow, look at this. No, awesome, guys. It's really an awesome world. Really love it. Super recommendable. So when you're in VRChat, you come across this place, definitely visit it. If you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe, like, do whatever it takes. Actually, I don't care. We'll do it anyway. So see you soon. See you around.